Bad.
That Shakti will
Right,
answer.
right.
All right. So guys, if you now lesson for you, lesson number one, what I was talking with Pallavi right now, what that is known as, something called short talk, SHORTTOLK, right? So do you guys know what that means? I mean, I just want to make like this environment very friendly and so that I can discuss some more ideas. How many of you know like what short talk means? Or I can explain that to you guys. Or any guesses is fine. I mean, this is not a competitive exam. Come on, we all are friends. We are here to learn. So I mean, anybody knows what short talks means, and
Short talk means casual conversation, you can say.
okay. Any other answers? Any other answers, guys? Others, Raj or Deepak or Pallavi. I mean,
Discussion of anything in
Okay.
a very limited and perfect manner within a
All
short
right.
period. That is
All
short
right.
talk.
Good idea. Pallavi, you have some answers or
It's like getting creating a friendly atmosphere by just having this kind of small talk to make
right.
other person also comfortable if you are meeting someone for the very first time.
Right.
So I think this is for that purpose.
I think you all are very closely to the hitting the nail. The purpose, real purpose of short talk is, for example, let's say I don't know Pallavi. I met her in the lift, elevator, and I want to learn something, or maybe I'm talking to a stranger and I want to initiate a conversation, right? So, for example, if I talk to Pallavi that, hey, I'm having an amazing life in US and all, she would not be able to relate with me. So the purpose of short talk is to initiate a conversation in a very friendly way, and you have to find the common reason, like the common talk you both have. So, for example, you are right now you are moving from employee to a student again, and I also did the same thing, right? So that way we both can connect, and it's a great way to understand that you are caring for others. So that really helps when you are dealing with your client or maybe others. It could be related to you also. When you are selling a product to your customer, you have to ask customer, hey, how was your day? And then you have to find like what is the common reason, like the common motto between you and your customer. That really helps. That helps a little bit. So
Yeah.
the Mhm. Or
Yes,
Harry,
of course.
anybody is confused or something?
Oh no. Generally, it's help, and sometimes it provides a space
Mhm.
to enter
Right.
the interior part of your customer, because
Exactly.
after that you can explore uh, the inherent secret of the customers, and you can
Mhm.
reach a deal,
Exactly.
reach at the deal.
Exactly. And moreover, research shows that customer will only buy you when you have same like or dislikes. So you have to find what customer likes, what your client. Sakti, it can be for any employee. So for example, when you
Yes.
are dealing with manager, you have to identify what is the common talk between your manager and yourself. You cannot tell him
Yes.
like, hey, I'm attending personality development classes. He may not be able to relate to public speaking, right? You have to identify whether he likes sports, whether he likes cricket, or whether he likes whether he cares about if you ask about their parents or their family. So make sure that when you are meeting somebody, try to initiate a so-called short talk, and you have to make sure that you are not speaking about yourself. So when I talk to Pallavi right now, I didn't tell her what I did this morning. I just asked her what challenges she's going through, and I try to relate with her, right? So that is lesson number one, and this is very very important. Short talk, and it's very beneficial. So for example, when I meet Zach, or when I meet Janet, I won't be telling what I have to find what is the common ground of talk between myself and which is like reading books, right? And then I will ask him, hey, how many books you read, and how many books I have read. And then again, he's a family person, so I will ask him like, hey, how your kids are doing, any big plans. So that helps like to connect yourself, and you will be able to connect easily. Once you connect, you can sell your ideas to anybody. So that was lesson number 1 for today. And whatever we are discussing right now, these are top secrets. Let me tell you, if you go for any training and all, they will not teach you these things. This will come through experience probably. And these things matters a lot when you are dealing with a client who has a different belief. For example, cultural differences you have, those kind of things. So that is where short talk really helps, right?
Yes.
So that was soft skills number 1. And then I have something for you guys which is very interesting, but for some reason I scanned those and I'm not able to send it. So let me try one more time, or I can take a picture and send in WhatsApp group, right? That will also
Yes, yes.
yeah, that's what I'm trying for.
Or you can share.
Okay.
So, Ajay, what you are using? You are using laptop for this
I'm
meeting?
using my laptop. Yes, Sakti.
Okay, so are you using some specific speaker or what? Your
No,
voice
I'm
comes
not.
to-
Are you able to hear my voice, or it's
Yes,
breaking?
yes, yes. Just
I'm
I'm asking.
I'm not
You are
using.
not using any
Yeah,
headphone,
I
right?
like it depends. For example, for you, headphone are working fine, but I feel like my voice is getting distorted when I use headphone. So
Okay.
if I have an important client call, then I use it. Else, like I use
Okay.
computers. So
Normal laptop is
yeah. So
speaker you are using.
do you have Sakti? Do you have like a camera scanner in your phone? Let me send a.
Yes, there you can download any app.
No. The problem is like I have the app, but I'm not able to send it to my email. So let me try one more time. And if not, then I can send you those pictures and you can scan really quick. And
That's why I ask people to buy Android phone because Android phone you get
iPhone is so complicated, guys.
complicated. It is complicated, and because most of the applications are paid also
Right.
in Android.
Oh,
Yet
Let
Sakti,
me
Sakti,
quickly take pictures again, and I
yes,
will
yes,
share
yes,
it to
sir.
you guys.
Shakti, I like your suggestions, but everybody is in the bottleneck situation of
Yes.
losing a job due to economy. How is it possible to take a iPhone?
No.
On
I am telling. That's why I'm telling that iPhone is not good
okay, not
comparatively.
good. Yeah,
Yes,
I
I
like
was
your
telling that
advice,
because
sir.
in Android phone you get lot of options to download any application, but in iPhone you cannot download all the applications. But
Which phone you like? Nokia.
I am having OnePlus.
OnePlus is great, Sakti. I love that phone.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes, it is good.
it's a great phone. A very powerful,
Yes,
very
means
robust.
cost is worth with his feature. Means iPhone will cost you same thing around 70,000, right? And you will get 30,000 OnePlus
Okay.
having a better quality, better camera than iPhone.
Okay, so few more minutes and I will be okay.
I use Vivo V7.
Yes, that is the means OnePlus, Vivo, and Oppo. All are of same company. They all are same company. They belong to same company.
Yes.
So others, so you are doing a business, right?
Yes.
In which city?
What?
In which city? Samastipur.
Not. East
Hey,
Champaran,
wait. I have a game for that. Wait for a moment.
Okay.
All right, just few seconds, please. Okay, I'm done. All right, so I'm back, guys, with whatever I wanted to share with you guys. I will really use quick WhatsApp and send some images and if you can read it or scan it, whatever works for you. 1 second. Why I take 2 pictures of the same image? All right. So, are you guys seeing some images in WhatsApp group? 7 images altogether. You are very formal today, Pallavi. What? Going anywhere?
We are locked.
Actually, I was making dinner. Now I am free.
Oh no,
So I was
I
busy at that time.
no, I said like you are very formal in the sense in a attire, you know. So
Oh no no, that is not normal, casual t-shirt.
I like it though. So this is lesson number 2 for you guys. When you like something, compliment it. It makes other person very important. It does not mean that you are making somebody uncomfortable. That means that you are showing sincerity, and if you like something, you are complimenting it. Very little things, and but it matters a lot in soft skills. Okay. How many of you received those 7 messages? 7 and Sakti, you can send it to Pallavi. Forward the
Yes,
message.
yes. Just
Okay, I will be back in 1 second. Really, really quick. All right, everybody got those images?
yes.
Okay, so you guys can read my handwriting, right?
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
ma'am.
All right, so I don't have like you know, that written somewhere, and the only way to share that is I wrote that in handwriting. That is how I write my speech. Like I don't believe in digital media. So today we are going to discuss a really important topic. You know, for example, when you read, right? Reading seems really easy, but it is really difficult the way we read and all. So I believe in something else. Like rather than teaching any topic, I just want you guys to try, and then I can tell. I will show you how I do, and we can learn from each other. So if you see, there are 7 images, right?
Yes.
Yes. Yes. No.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Okay. So I will ask Sakti to read page number 1,
Okay.
and there is no timing. You can take whatever time you want for today. And everybody, please observe.
Okay.
Okay. That is a very important when you are dealing with somebody.
Okay. Speech title. Speech title is personal legend. How many of you have heard this? When you want something, all the universe comprises in helping you to achieve it. I read this quote 5 years ago. It's from book The Alchemist. Fellow Toastmasters and dear guests, I am here today to read parts of a story from book called The Alchemist written by Paulo Coelho. This story is about an illusion shepherd boy named Santiago who travels from his homeland in Spain to Egyptian desert in search of a treasure buried in the pyramids. On the way, he meets an old man who calls himself a king and helps him in knowing what his personal legend is. Scene is shepherd boy meets an old man who explains him about personal legend. Here it goes. Hmm, said the old man, looking at all sides of a box, as if it was some strange object. This is an important book, but it's really irritating. The boy was shocked. The old man knew how to.
Okay, thank you, thank you, thank you. All right. So I think maybe I will tell later. A few things, Sakti. The first thing is it's not legend, it's legend. Okay,
Okay.
that is the one thing to take care of. And this story is about Andalusian. Okay, not. I mean, I know it's difficult word because like it comes from Europe, and then again, it's not Shepherd, it's Shepherd. Okay, this is
Okay.
a very difficult
Shepherd.
vocabulary. So
Hmm.
after meeting, you can Google it and learn how to pronounce it. And then one more thing. Uh, I will tell you like later. Like these were a couple of things I wanted to highlight. Okay, I will ask Pallavi to read page number 2. Pallavi, go ahead and read
Oh,
page number
oh,
2 for us.
okay, okay.
Yeah, everybody, please listen to Pallavi and learn.
Read and had already read the book, and if the book was irritating, as the old man had said, the boy still had time to change it for another. It is a book that says the same thing almost all other books in the world say.
Mhm.
Continued the old continued the old man. It describes people's inability to choose their own personal legends. It ends up saying that everyone believes the world's greatest lie. What is the world's greatest lie? The boy asked, completely surprised. It is this, that a certain point in our lives we lose control of what's happening to us, and our life becomes controlled by fate. That is the world's greatest lie. That's never happened to me, the boy said. They wanted me to be a priest, but I decided to become a shepherd. Much better, said the old man, because you really like to travel. During this conversation, the boy comes to know that old man is a king of Salem.
Thank you. Please. So, round for applause for Pallavi. Few things, Pallavi. When you are
Hmm.
reading any story or any book, you have 3 ground rules. Whenever you have periods, which is a full stop, you have to take little pause. Like it could be a few seconds. And whenever you have semicolon, there also you have to take little pause. I mean, that should not be visible, but you have to. So that puts a lot of emphasis,
Hmm.
on how you are reading it. So I felt when you are reading, you are taking pause on, periods, but on, I think, semicolons, that is something you have to take care of. And again, noticed. Anyways, I will tell later if I remember. All right. Thanks, Pallavi. I
Okay.
will ask
Okay.
Others Raj to read page number 3.
Okay, okay. I read. I am the king of Salem. The old man had said, how would a king be taking with a shepherd? The boy asked, wait and im- impressed for several reasons, but let's say that the most Important is that you have succeeded in discovering your personal legend. The boy did not know what a person's personal legend was. It's what you have always wanted to accom- accomplish. Everyone when they are young know what their person at legend is. At that points in their lives, everything is clear and everything is possible. They are not afraid to dream and to yearn for everything they would like to see happen to them is their lives. But as time passes, my stories force beings to con- convince them that it will impossible for them to realize their personal legend. None of what the old man was saying made much sense to the boy, but wanted to know what the my story force was. The merchant's dog would be impressed when he told her about that.
Thank you, Adarsh. A couple of things. You cannot handle the pace of English language as the same way you handle Hindi language. So that is something you learn eventually. Not a big deal. And again, same applies to you. Whenever you are reading, whenever you see full stop or those semicolons, you have to take a pause. And whatever is there in quotes. So, for example, there is something for several reasons. So you have to put more emphasis there. If it is in quotes, that means that is really really important. That makes sense. So those are the two things. When it comes to vocabulary, it is not my stories; it's mysterious. Okay. So again, same applies to you. I will, put this word in chat window, and you can Google it how to pronounce it. That is something to take care of. Thank you, others. I will ask Deepak Raj to read page number 4. Deepak Raj, can you read page number 4 for us?
Sure.
Yeah.
It is a force that appears to be negative, but actually show you how to realize your personal legend. It prepares your spirit and your will because this is one great truth on this planet. However, you ask your and the what if it is that you do. When you really want something, it is because that desire originated in the soul of the universe. It is your mission on earth. The soul of the world is nourished by the people's happiness and also by unhappiness only, and the jealous to realize the one's destiny is a personal, only real obligation. All things as one. And when you want to something, all the universe conspires in helping you to experience it. They they were the both sciences for a time, observing the plaza and the townspeople. It was the old man who spoke first. Why do you tunnel up flock of the sheep? Because I like to travel. The old man pointed to a text standing in his shop window at one corner of the plaza. When he was a child, that man wanted to travel too, but he decided first to buy his his bakery and put some money aside.
Thank you. Thank you, Sir Deepak Raj, for reading this for me. And again, same applies to you. Couple of vocabulary mistake and putting some more emphasis. I will tell you at end. I will ping those words where you can improve. But thank you. Overall, good job. I will ask Dilip to read page number 5. Dilip, can you read page number 5? Dilip is here or?
Yes, he is there. Yes.
Okay. So
He's on mute.
Okay, Dilip, I have never muted you. So can you read page number 5 for us, Dilip? Unmuted. I have unmuted him.
Philip, go ahead.
I don't know. He's having some network issues. Dilip, we can text
Maybe
him.
he is looking at the document on the WhatsApp group.
Oh, yeah. Sure.
That's why video is off, because his video was visible.
Oh, I know.
His phone
So,
not
yeah.
function multiple tasks.
If he can, like, if he is not able to, turn on his video, I am fine with it. If he can read also, that's all right. Dilip, are you there? Sakti, can you message him and check,
Yes, yes.
and meanwhile, I'm setting up one more meeting because this meeting will end in 4 to 5 minutes. So let me 12:08, right? So 15, that should be fine.
Hello.
Yeah, Dilip, I'm glad I'm.
Yeah. Ajay, that time I was reading because I am using WhatsApp for the reading. And
Oh,
I was audible on that time.
no,
No.
not at all. So, okay, so that will be challenge for you, I think. Let me see what I can do for that. Okay, so you have to see the phone and then you have to read it, right? And at the same time,
Yeah.
can you see
Can
phone
I
and read?
can I share document in this chat window?
Will that help him? Yeah, you can see the chat window and you can read it, right, from there.
Yeah.
Can you send him?
How others was reading that? You are
Sakti,
reading also
you don't have laptop, Dilip, or?
No,
I have also read from WhatsApp only, but my camera was off and I was reading from the WhatsApp image only.
Your camera was off or on? It was on, I
Off.
think.
No,
Off.
it was off.
I was able to see your image though. Sakti, can you ping him, in chat window or I?
Okay, I'll just.
Or else I? Reading is a very, very important skills. Like if you.
Dilip, I just forwarded you.
In chat group.
Okay.
I can't see in chat.
Not in chat.
Mm-hmm.
If you want to chat, then
Sorry, Dilip.
Ajay, give me 2 minutes. Just I am taking on my email ID and then I will read through my laptop.
All right, then I will end this
Possible?
meeting and I will end this meeting. In another 2 minutes.
Okay.
You can join again
Okay.
in a different meeting.
Okay.
okay.
Chalo. See you guys.
Yeah. Sure.